Hello everyone! Halloween is coming. What is your costume this year? Today, I will make some amazing dresses for our princess for a Halloween party. For our first princess, I will make a pumpkin dress for her. To make a pumpkin dress, I will shape the orange Play-Doh into a perfect round shape. I will make a small top in black. How you feel a bit Halloween yet? Let's make two eyes and funny mouth. Ta-da! We just finished the first costume for the princess. Do you like her costume? For our princess Elsa, I will make her a costume of ghost. Let's watch. Now, let's make the eyes. I will make the cross to make it look scary. How do you like the costume? This costume is simple and easy to make, right? Do you have any idea for our Princess Cinderella? I will make her a costume with a big spider. Let's start. The dress will have a pink bottom. I will show you how to make a spider. Ta-da! We just finished another costume for the princess. She still looks so elegant in this dress, right? Let's move on to our Princess Merida. I will dress her as a goblin. First, we need to cut the green Play-Doh in half a circle. A small top will be brown. I will make him a red eye. Ooh, looks scary. I will make a silly mouth. What do you think about this dress? Do you like it? Here is our Princess Rapunzel. I will turn her become a witch. Let's watch how I make a witch costume. Do you like her purple and black layer dress? Do you think the witch is missing something? Yes, a witch hat. Do you think if there is a magic in the witch hat? I think so. Ta-da! We just finished the last dress for our princess. All the princesses ready for Halloween party tonight. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.